Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the top 15 Nordstrom anniversary sale bestsellers and favorites that are all in stock. As always, I will have everything linked below. I will also have it in the corner of the video. First up is a top seller. Ever since I shared it on my IG stories, you guys absolutely loved it. This has definitely now become my personal favorite #1 bag of the sale. It is the Teddy Blake bag and it is so pretty. I have a pink one that I bought during the springtime that I absolutely love and wear all the time, but I love this neutral and this like a little bit of a smaller size, but you'd be surprised at how much it fits. Here's my phone for reference. It does not take up that much room inside at all and you have so much room to spare, and I love this undone look that you could have with it, and then it just pops open. It has so much space inside and it's definitely giving off Hermes Kelly vibes. It also comes with a detachable shoulder strap so you could wear it crossbody. It has multiple adjustments here, and I've had nothing but great experience with the quality of my other Teddy Blake bag, so I definitely had to grab this because it is so chic for fall and it's just gonna go with all of my outfits. Next is a bestseller and top favorite pick of mine as far as beauty, and it is the Westman Atelier lip kit. This is a 3-piece lip kit and in my opinion it's even better than the Charlotte Tilbury lip set. I'm wearing it today and it's such a pretty rosy, a little bit of a deeper rose pink, and it is so pretty. It comes with the lip liner, so I actually line my lips and fill them in with the lip liner. It lasts a really nice amount of time, and this is in the shade Petal. It also comes with a lipstick, and also I have to mention the packaging because it is so luxurious. It's like a nude blush color packaging with gold detailing, and it just, all the detailing on it just makes it so nice. But this formula of lipstick is so smooth and buttery, but also stays put. And then it also comes with the gloss. It's not sticky at all. In fact, it is just so creamy and moisturizing. I love the shine it gives my lips, and it just feels so nice. Next favorite are these slingback flats. These are from Franco Sarto. These are definitely giving all the French girl vibes. They are very reminiscent of my Saison shoes. They look so flattering on the foot. They come in multiple different colors, including a bunch of other neutrals. They also have an adjustment that is fully functioning here on the side if you want to adjust the width on it. There is a slight amount of padding in the footbed. It's very comfortable. They don't feel like they're digging in the back. Next up is this faux fur collared jacket. This was on the top of my wish list and I absolutely love this. I did not get a chance to share this yet. I feel like this is gonna be a bestseller, but this is such an underrated piece from the Nordstrom sale. I don't know how this is not gone already. I love how well and effortlessly it styles. It just looks so chic with that faux fur collar. It looks so elevated. It does come in 3 colors as well. I saw a camel. I can't remember the 3rd color, but it is so beautiful. And I think it's just such a classic staple that's right in the middle of casual but dressy. And I find this is running true to size. It looked really good with this cashmere sweater I had on the other day when I was styling it, and it just looks so beautiful with all the neutrals. This is another top seller from my past few videos that you guys have been loving, and it is the Miu Miu Sunnies. These were actually a last minute purchase for me in the store. I actually had not had my eye on a ton of the sunglasses. I really didn't from online. I couldn't really find anything that I absolutely loved. So, but when I went in store, I'm like, were these even online? And they were. It's just that the pictures didn't do them justice. So when I tried them on, I'm like, okay, I definitely need these in my Sunnies collection because they are so classic and pretty. I love the Miu Miu Sunnies brand, and Miu Miu's barely go on sale. So the fact that these are like $160 off is amazing. They have the really pretty gold Miu Miu logo here on the side. They're tortoise, so they're very classy and not gonna go out of style. And I love the shape of the lenses. They are just a very classy shape and they're not trendy at all, so they're gonna last you, and they're very comfortable on the face. And they even come in this really pretty pink velvet case. How are these not sold out? I am shocked, but they're so good. I was happy to see that you guys have been loving the Sicily face oil duo. I shared this in one of my last few videos. I have been using this face oil for over a year now. My mom was the one who actually influenced me to try it. She is such a huge fan of Sicily, and I feel like if you're over the age of 30, definitely consider this set if you're looking to invest a little bit more in skincare. This is my bottle. I actually just used the last amount last night. Like, I cannot get any more out of here. It is a dry face oil. I use it after cleansing for my moisturizer, and it's extremely nourishing nourishing, it's rejuvenating, and it has so many anti-aging effects for your skin. It's designed to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, so it's great for those anti-aging benefits. When I say it is nourishing, it is extremely hydrating and it makes your skin so supple. It's rich in omega-3 and 6, and it gives you extremely deep moisture. I have always struggled years past with very dry skin, and if you have that issue as well, this is gonna be a really great option. This is my, oh, this is the old bottle. This is my brand new bottle that I just opened up last night because I just ran out. Like I said, it will last you. I think I bought this past bottle, I wanna say it was like November, December. So it has lasted me all the way to July. So more than 6 months. I really have to say it's like a facial in a bottle. If you're looking, instead of investing in a one-time facial, consider the oil. I could confidently say you will love this, and it's non-greasy too. It's not gonna clog your pores. Like, I used their hair products last night for my hair, so they can do no wrong with their products. I have never tried a Sicily product I didn't like. These are another underrated favorite of mine. It is the Dr. Scholl sneakers. These have a removable insert in them. So they have arch support, nice amount of padding. So they have a lot of support. You could take these out though, but they are so nice and comfy. They have the pink suede and they're so pretty and feminine. So if you have feminine style, I highly recommend. They're great, great quality. They feel so comfortable, and Dr. Scholl's is just known for the ultimate comfort. And these do come in blue as well, but this dusty rose was just calling my name, and these are a great transitional shoe. I feel like you could wear these any time of year. They're not just fall, but I think these are, especially though, a great fall winter sneaker. Oh, and these do fit very true to size. I want to chat about the cashmere on the Nordstrom sale. In all the styles I shared, they're all in the top bestsellers of all the clothing that I shared, and these are just a personal favorite of mine. They just are not going to go out of style. Cashmere is such an essential for fall and winter, especially winter, but I really love any of the combination of these. So the one I have on, it's a short sleeve version, so great transitional piece. This comes in a bunch of colors, and I think it's such a classic. You cannot go wrong with the traditional crew neck cashmere sweater. This comes in multiple different colors. I love the rosy pink, but it does come in some great neutral options. For this, I suggest hand washing. So if you have the hand wash cycle on your washing machine, definitely do that. Or you could just actually like hand wash it, and it really doesn't take that much time or effort. But if you do that, these will remain so nice. Like, definitely don't do like a regular machine wash on these. Any kind of cashmere is actually going to pill up if you do that and get all a mess. Don't do that. You will ruin the cashmere, just as a little side note. But if you just take a little extra care, these will like last and last in your wardrobe. Then the last cashmere style, this one is the only one that is a blend. So it's a wool and cashmere blend. So toasty warm. I love the style. Probably the best though out of all of them. Actually, when I was trying things on in the fitting room, my sales associate was like, this is my favorite one on you. I just love how flattering it looks. It's a little bit of a longer length, so we'll cover you on the bottom if you want to wear it with like a more fitted bottom. But it is such a really chic silhouette. I like that it's a little bit boxy, but it still maintains a really flattering look. And it has that cozy turtleneck, and I love the color of this, but it comes in a bunch of other colors. PJs, these were a top seller in my first haul. These gingham 100% cotton PJs are so cute. These I feel like are also underrated. They are so pretty in this brown gingham, so cute. We're going into fall time, but I love that they're 100% cotton. They are a really nice fit. I'd say pretty true to size if you're in between size up. I like my PJs, it's a little bit more boxy, especially with 100% cotton. It is going to shrink a tad. Don't put these in the dryer, still hang to dry, but even the first wash, they will slightly shrink that first wash, being that they're 100% cotton. So I like to size up to the smallness, but love those. These shoes are a favorite of mine. I love the padded footbed. They have a really nice padded footbed. They're by Bruno Magli, and it's an Italian designer. So these are made in Italy, and they are really well made. I could just tell by how, like, when I first put them on, you could tell by the comfort and the construction that they are made in Italy. I just love them. They are very reminiscent of like the Hermes H-Slide. I love though that they come in 4 colors total. I think the brown is limited, but they do still have the white, and I think some sizes in black, and then there's also like a snake print. I think you cannot especially go wrong with the white or the black, and I love them so much. Also keep in mind, people probably buy multiple sizes. They don't know what size they might be. So you'll see some returns possibly come through for these. If you've had these on your wish list, definitely check back, because as people try them on, they will need to return if they bought multiple sizes. So keep checking back if they don't have them. Another top seller from my past few videos has been the 100% Pima cotton t-shirt from the Nordstrom brand. These are really great. My mom actually was influenced by me and she picked up one for herself. And I just think they're a great quality tee. Definitely don't put these in the dryer because they will shrink up. Definitely just like hang to dry, machine wash cold, and then you'll be good to go. But they still have a boxy fit, so I still went true to size on this one. But I really love that they come in multiple colors. Material has a nice thickness to it, and these will style like as a great outfit starter piece, and then you could layer with outerwear on top, which is nice. The Blondo boots have also been a bestseller. These are also a top favorite of mine. I have gotten them through the years from the sale, and what's great about Blondo is they are waterproof. So even though they're suede, they are treated so they're not going to get all messed up if you step in water or get it in the rain. These are amazing quality. They also just are such a classy silhouette. Style them so many ways with your denim and your dresses and skirts for fall. And I personally picked up the like short booty. This one is just a nice classic. It looked good even with the jeans over top. It looked so classy and pretty when I tried them on. And then I also love the classic style, this like chunky heel, and this stays up, which is nice. It's not really baggy, but it still holds its shape. A really classic knit from the sale you could wear now and then later. This is a really pretty sleeveless knit top. I love the color. This chocolate brown we are seeing a ton of throughout the sale. Like chocolate is the color for fall. I'd say chocolate and burgundy. Major for fall, and it's so stunning. It looks so good, just like your denim and some cute boots. It's just such a classic. I love this one so much if it's true to size, and this did come in a few other color options, and this is also 100% cotton, so great, still like breathable fabric. It's not too heavy of a piece. And then last but certainly not least is the Varley, which is always, actually last year Varley was in the clothing category like a top seller. It always is, and I love Varley pieces. I own some of their pullovers. They're just really great quality pieces. So first up is this pullover. This is the cream with the gold zipper detail. It looks so good even with like your tennis skirts, leggings, all the things, even with jeans for just like a casual day. I think it looks so pulled together, very elevated, very pretty, but still very casual and very comfy. It fits true to size, definitely with Varley, go true to size. And then I also love this knit top. It looked so good also with the shorts that are on the sale. But this is just such a nice option because you could also like wear a cami under and wear it with jeans. But then you could also make it a little bit more athleisure with some athletic shorts or leggings. Joggers, I think this is a very versatile piece from like literally going like athleisure in the morning to like your daytime outfit with some really cute jeans. Like you could really switch this up and create a multitude of different looks with this. That was all for my top 15 Nordstrom sale bestsellers and favorites. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely comment below which piece your favorite was, or if you got anything super fun that is your favorite, let me know. And I think that rounds out my coverage for the Nordstrom anniversary sale this year. So much fun summer content. So if you just found my channel through my Nordstrom sale content, because I know a lot of you do, I would love to have you join in on my channel, this amazing community. We all just love feminine, classic fashion, beauty, and home decor, and I love sharing that on my channel, so I'd love to have you join. That is it for today, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.